we had the most insane day of my life. You can tell I look a little crazy right now.
Go. Go back.
We're in Yo, good morning. We are in my apartment still, and we are gonna do a little bit of like something fun. We don't know if we're gonna go to Waco or if we're going to go to this drive-through zoo that's like an hour and a half from here. So we're still trying to decide what we're gonna do today, but we're all getting ready and excited. Okay, so we took a mini road trip. This mask makes my face look so weird. And like my hair is like out of it. Anyway, we are in, I don't know where we are. We stopped at DQ. We stopped for a little bathroom break, road trip stop. On our way to the Franklin drive-through zoo, so we're pumped about that. We made it to the zoo. It took like 2 hours and we're here. We made it. So we just paid and we got some food. Show us the food salad. We're gonna feed the animals and we're starting to drive in now. Okay, so we're getting closer to the, what is this, a llama? It's coming out?
Beat it, beat it, beat it.
Beat it.
Hey, hey, doggy. Hello, baby.
How?
Just give it to him like that.
Oh no, I'm scared. What in the world?
Hey, right here. We're gonna drive by these camels now. Oh my gosh, they're huge! Look at We're coming to the end of our tour, back where we started. Where these, what are they, llamas? The llamas are. The water looks, and that was our animal safari tour. Hello vlog, we are taking a bathroom break with the fam. We just finished the Franklin safari like drive-through, and oh my gosh, it was so much fun. There were so many animals. We loved it. And we did like a little mini road trip. It took like 2 hours to get there, and now we're gonna stop, maybe get some food somewhere. I don't know what we're gonna get around here, and then drive back to my apartment. And my family leaves tomorrow, so I'm really sad. But I'll be back in LA in like a couple days too, so it's not gonna be terrible. Literally pouring. We're in a storm. Yo, we
we are back at my apartment. We had the most insane day of my life. You can tell I look a little crazy right now. Oh, so we drove 2 hours to go to this Franklin drive-thru safari, which the 2 hours to get there felt really long. I mean, we've like been traveling and stuff, so I guess that's why. The safari was amazing. We loved it. We had a lot of fun. It was just cool to see like the animals like up close like that. And then came back. Oh my gosh, we got stuck in this storm while we were like driving through it. I drove there and I was driving back. And oh my gosh, the storm was literally insane. Like I couldn't see anything, so we pulled over to the side of the highway, switched seats, and oh my gosh, I think I have some footage from that. Soul might have taken a video. And it was literally crazy. Switching. Hello?
Hi Monica, this is Concierge Sam. How you doing?
Hello Sam, how are you? Then I had someone at my apartment trying to put up some curtains and stuff for me, so they were calling me. My car is also getting shipped back to LA for the rest of the summer, and so the shipping car people were also around, and they had to wait for us to it was insane. But we're back and it's time to have some dinner and chill for now. The car shipping company is here, and we're gonna go get my car put on and send it off to LA. So we ate. We had Shake Shack. I forgot to vlog that, but my car was picked up. I got everything figured out with the man who was putting up my curtains and stuff. Now we're on our way to Target. I need to get a few things there, and I want to get like a DVD player. I haven't used one in years, but my TV isn't set up yet, like with like AT&T or Spectrum or whatever I decide to use. So right now I just want to get a DVD player to, where is CVS? We are going to CVS. I don't even know where I'm going, but where?
Right here. Oh shit.
Well, I missed it.
It's fine.
We missed it. We missed it.
Okay, well, we'll vlog.
Cause the shit is real. Cause the shit is real.